So today we will see how we can track an object in Blender with camera. So for this, let's say we have an object, a cube, and we have a camera here. So first select the camera. Then what you can do is go to the object constraint properties, then click on add object constraint, then go to tracking, and then click on track to. So the target will be the cube. So you can see here the dotted line that's projected from the camera to the cube. It shows that the camera is tracking the cube. So if I move the camera now, you can see that the line of sight of the camera is fixed on the cube. So the camera is tracking the cube. Let's go to the camera view. We can see from the point of view of the camera. So when I move the camera, still the camera is fixed on the cube. So this shows that the camera is fixed on the cube. So this is one way of tracking objects with camera. So that's it for today. If you like to get more tips on Blender, please like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time with another tip. Thanks for watching.